Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is the channel. So if you don't know me, I'm one of those people that I stack up my boxes. I open them whenever. Sometimes I open the older ones first. Sometimes I open the newer ones last. I'm just a hot mess like that. So anyway, today I have a balanced lifestyle box. I probably got this like a month ago, so I'm getting into it. So you'll notice I have boxes that I can't wait to open and boxes that I forgot I have to open. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like my context, please hit that subscribe button, tap the like button, and tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos whenever I post them. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty and your patience. And I have some great giveaways coming up as well. And I catch up on those as well. So the balance box has all sorts of boxes. They have a food box, they have a lifestyle box, they have, I think, just a women's box and then a men's box. And I have a discount for 40% off if you want to check them out. And this one is their lifestyle box. And I checked to see because I opened it and boxed it to make sure I didn't already post the video. Yes, crazy like that. So you get a 10% off coupon on certain boxes, but I'm pretty sure if you sign up, there's a 40% off. So I paid like 30 something for this box, and all the information will be either going across or linked down in the description box. And then they always just load you up with coupons. And then they have this box for just $14.99 that you can get, and it has like some food items and lifestyle items. And this is the brochure of everything that's in this box. So let's dive into it. And then we have a bag, and we always love bags. And this one, I'm waiting for something to jump out at me. This one has a hair clip. And if you see in my recent videos, I have the gray. And I have been searching on Poshmark for a nice hairstyle. And I stopped in at my hairdresser's because I'm having my due date on Friday to see if she can do this hair color, because I think you need one of those like special color specialists to do your hair. So I'm hoping she can pull it off and that I don't come like 50 shades of gray. So this is really a nice hair clip. I know a lot of people wear hair clips. I have such thin hair that I don't even know if it'll stay in my hair, but this is a really nice hair clip. Is that the only thing that was in the bag? I think so. And it has its own card. You can get 15% off if you want to purchase more hair clips. And then, oh my God, you can play baseball with this. This is a jasmine bath bomb, but this has to sink to the bottom of your tub. I don't care what size tub you have, this weighs. I gotta see if it puts down how much it weighs. I can't really even smell it because it's packed so good. But I'm just trying to see how much the darn thing weighs. It weighs 0.9 ounces. This is one heavy bath bomb. Then we have eucalyptus clarifying essential oil blend, certified organic, nice size. And we have this Amore shampoo bar. I know everybody gets shampoo bars. I think I've gotten a shampoo bar once, and I've always wanted to try one. So it comes in a box with directions. Oh my gosh. This smells really good. And I'm gonna try me a shampoo bar. And bet you know what this is. Looks like it's, ooh. It's a fancy eye mask, but it looks like it comes with a pillowcase. Now that is awesome. So I'm liking that. Oh, and we have a card, save up to 50% on all essential roll-ons. Oh, that was a roll-on. So this is the card for all the products you can get. Oh, that's nice. That was a roll-on. Then we got some big things in here. This is a Phantom Chef coffee mug. And I don't want to take it out of the box. I think I'm going to give this. And it's in here. See, these are all the types of boxes you can get. I'll leave that there for a second. This is the Phantom mug with wooden handle. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee in this stylish 15-ounce ceramic mug with a walnut handle. So this is what the mug looks like. I guess it came in white and green, and it looks like I got the white one. So that's a nice mug, but our nephew is moving down here from Washington part-time, and he said he doesn't have anything in his place. So I think he would like the mug. And we have one more item, and it's packaged really, really nice. So let's see what we got. Oh, I lied. We have 2 more items. So this is really a nice box. What do you think of it? I think this is the last one I signed up for, but you can just pick and choose which ones you sign up for. I think they have like a preview, so you can see what you're gonna get, and you can decide if you want that one. Sorry, I'm making just so much noise here. My struggles are real. This looks like it's a flower pot. Not only is it a flower pot, it's a hanging flower pot. Oh my God, this is beautiful. It's like it's ceramic. You can see this is like protruding out of it. But this is the rope. Okay, me and plants are really not friends because I murder them, but I do put like fake ones in there, and then this somehow goes in here. It hangs from the rope, and there's a picture so I can actually show you what that looks like. So we have that beautiful hair clip that came in different colors, and that baseball bath bomb, and then the mugs. So this is a great lifestyle box, and it'll make a great gift. And then we got the eucalyptus and that shampoo bar, which I can't wait, and the pillow with the sleeper mask, and this is what in real life it's supposed to look like. So you can hang it, or you can just pot it and leave it on your desk. I'm going to attempt to hang it without breaking it. I think it would look beautiful in my backyard. And then the last thing is a skincare item, and it is an age recovery night cream, and that's what it looks like. And this is by Able Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Serum. Oh, and there's values. So just to go backwards, This night serum retails for $114. I don't think, I mean, it would have to totally, I'd have to wake up with a new face to pay that, but that's $114. Our little plant holder is $20, which that's a great price. Our sleep mask and pillowcase is $79. The shampoo bar is $6. The eucalyptus is $8. The coffee mug is $25. The baseball bath bomb is $10. That hair clip is $12. So what did you think of that box? I thought this was a great box. Again, I paid like, I want to say 30 something for this box, and then the retail, and I'm really liking this mug with the